Hi kids! Wow, a baby monkey! Let's open it. This is so cute. You can also separate the parts. Light green color, green color, white color. He is listening songs. Do you like it, kids? Now join them again.
Wow! Wow!
Now keep it aside.
No.
Oh wow, color pens. Our first color is orange. Second color is pink. Third color is blue. Fourth color is purple. Fifth color is red. Sixth color is light green. Seventh color is yellow. Eighth color is green. Ninth color is sky blue. This is our last color pen. What is your favorite color, kids? Let's write alphabets. Pink color. A. A for armadillo. A for also ant. A. Blue color. B. B for bison. B for also bulbul. B. Orange. C. C for cat. C for also coconut. C. Light green color. D. D for duck. D for also dog. D. Red. E. E for elephant. E for also engine. E. Sky blue. F. F for flamingo. F for also flag. F. Our next color is yellow. G. G for grapes. G for also ginger. G. Purple. H. H for hornbill. H for also house. H. Last color is green. I. I for ink pot. I for also ice cube. I. Now say with me, kids. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Bye bye kids, keep learning and also subscribe to my channel.